Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot workflow triggers for follow-ups, complete guide step by step clearly. To install HubSpot workflow triggers for follow-ups, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the automation section in the top menu. Select workflows from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create Workflow button located in the upper right corner. Choose the type of workflow that suits your needs, such as start from scratch or a pre-made template. If starting from scratch, select either contact-based, company-based, ticket-based, or deal-based workflows. Once selected, give your workflow a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. Next, you'll be prompted to set the enrollment triggers. Click on the Set Enrollment Triggers button to start defining criteria. Here, you can choose from various options such as property values, form submissions, or email interactions. Select a trigger type based on what best fits your follow-up goals. For example, if you want to trigger follow-ups based on form submissions, select Forms as your criteria. Choose the specific form that will activate the workflow. You can add additional criteria by clicking the +Add Filter option. This allows you to refine your triggers, ensuring that only the right contacts enter the workflow. Once you've defined your enrollment triggers, click the Done button to save your settings. Next, move to the Workflow Actions section. Click on the plus icon to add an action. Here, you can choose from various actions, such as sending an email, creating a task, or updating contact properties. For follow-ups, select Send Email to draft an automated follow-up message. If this is your first email, click on Create New Email to draft your content. Make sure to personalize the message to enhance engagement. After drafting your email, return to the workflow and select it from the email options. You can set delays between actions if you prefer the follow-ups to have a specific timing. To do this, click the plus again and select Delay from the options. Specify the amount of time you want to wait before the next action occurs. Continue adding actions as needed for your follow-up sequence. Once you are satisfied with your workflow actions, review the overall flow for coherence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.